Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to set up a Python virtual environment in VS Code and install a specific Python version, in this case 3.12. So there are scenarios where you need to create a virtual environment, in this case Python virtual environment, and install a specific Python version. And that is exactly what we are going to do in this video. The first step is to check all of the installed Python versions that you have. So to do that, just type py-list. So these are all the Python versions that I have installed. And the next step is to create a virtual environment with a specific version, in this case 3.12. Okay, so the command is -312-m, which stands for module, and venv, and the name of the virtual environment is in my case venv. So you can name this anything, any name that you want. Okay, so just give it a second. To deactivate the virtual environment in command prompt, so in this case I'm using command prompt. So the command is myvenv scripts activate. So we can see that myvenv, this prefix here, this means that the virtual environment is now activated. And the next step is to select the Python interpreter. So we are going to select the Python interpreter inside this virtual environment. So to do that, just press Ctrl Shift P and select Python select interpreter, and then I'm going to select this, so this version. So it says recommended. Okay, so the next step is to verify the Python version. The command is python --version. And you can also type Python, and this will give you the Python shell, and you can also, you will also see this version here. Okay, exit. And to activate or to deactivate the virtual environment, just type deactivate. Yes, so now we don't see the prefix myvenv at the beginning of this path. Okay, so that's how you can set up a Python virtual environment in VS Code and select a specific Python version for your Python interpreter. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.